Good morning, everyone. Thank you. Happy morning. Hi, honey. My love, so sweet. Wala pa nga eh. Hi, good morning. Paglabag daw mo na kayo mo. Kasi wala mo na yung sarili mo. Thank you for watching. So tell Anthony where the contest was yesterday. Hi everyone. Yesterday that's okay. Don't tell. Okay. I thought I tell. Okay. 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 Okay, I'm not tell. Hello, Dominador Tolentino. Hi. Dominador Tolentino, kumusta? Kumusta, Dominador? Thank you for the thumbs up. Okay lang po. Taga saan po kayo? Bicol po. Pilipinas, Bicol. Salamat sa thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up. Gusto po kayo? Saan po kamo sa Bicol? Bicol. Malawak pala ang Bicol, no? Salamat sa thumbs up, sa nag-thumbs up. Daghan salamat sa English Dominador. Dominador, I have English here. Can you speak in English? Thank you so much. Thank you for watching, guys. How are ya? Oh my god. Ajay Pal. Hello, Ajay Pal. Ajay. Hi, Ajay. 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 Thank you for the 16 people here. Thank you so much. Thank you po. Kill your lips. Another time I say your smile. Thank you for the 15 people here. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Yeah. I realize. Thank you for the 9 people here. Thank you so much.
Hi.
Hello.
Ay.
Hi, Gab.
Mama, ay.
Oh, makada ka naman dun sa ano. Ano na yun? Ibutan mo na dito mga lunang tasi. Tiklop mo na tabi. Or mga gamit ko. Hello, everybody. Thank you, Dominator. Hello, everybody. Let's get it on. Everybody, rock your body right. GR Lumilan, hi. Sad fact on Western Airlines flight what 2605, a DC-10 landed on a wrong runway. It collided with a truck and crashing into a building. Where's that happened? Where's that happened? Where that place happened? Where? Where that country place? Bingo Dingo, Bingo Dingo, Lawrence. Where did it happens that ano? The captain's yes, where it happens? What year? A present previews is a history. Hi Elsiba, welcome back. I'm there. You here? Thank you for joining here, Elsiba.
Ikaw na sampol.
Ako na lang, kuya. Salamat, kuya. You're the best, kuya talaga. Thank you, Gab. Thank you for watching. Where is my... What it happens? You're here. Parang kahapon lang, magkasama lang, nagkakaroon sa ko paano. The plane crashed on October 31, 1979. Oh my God. I am with you. Thank you, Elsie Val. Thank you so much. Ah, ang sarap na magmahal. Beautiful. Oh. God, aray, 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 aray. Aray, aray, aray. Come on, guys. God, what God? Why are you calling God? Gay? Gay? Are you a gay? Rogo huh? The Pro 2467 kid. Are you a gay? Because if me, I'm not a gay. I have a son. So, and maybe I'm looking like a gay. Mm, mapuwe, bawit lang. Mapuwe. Oh my God. Hi, mapuwe. Why mapuwe? Parang kahapon lang, magkasama lang, magkayakap sa ulan. Tanda ko pa noon, unang magkita ang iyong mga mata at Dominador, English song please. Dominador, English. I found the love. Gumante ha, gumante. For me, darling, just dive right in. Follow my nakakalimutan ko. I forgot the lyrics. Oh my God. Beautiful and sweet. Oh, I never knew you were that someone for me. 'Cause we were just getting feeling love fighting against all that. I will be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand, baby. I'm gonna future and you're mine. True proper butterfly. Baby, I dancing in the dark. You get to Manuel Guerrero, SOS. What means SOS? I found love for me. Thank you for the 21 people. Thank you so much. Thank you for 21 here na. Kumusta? Salamat sa thumbs up. Pa-thumbs up naman. Please. Thank you. Oh, thank you for the thumbs up. Adama Bani, lagi upo to. Oh, ah? Ano yung kwe? Ano yung kwe? Ipakita mo. Ay, my God. Totoy. Totoy, please. Nakamura ako sa Caleb. Wrong enter the channel. Ambot sa imo Caleb ah. Caleb. Taga saan ka Caleb? Marahil ay nakawala ka sa iyong hawla. What? Dagi. Ano daw? Di ko maintindihan. Nakasabot ka man pala sa Bisaya. Nakasabot man ako pero konti lang. Pero yung Adami Bani, ano siya, Bisaya? Anong lagwan? Caleb English. Caleb says, if I show my kuan, maybe he thinks I'm a man. Sorry, Caleb. I have no totoy. I have a son, but I protect my son from toxic people, you know. Well done, 46. Hi, well done. Thank you for watching. Ako, hindi ko naintindihan. Adama Bani, anong ibig mong sabihin? Baka naman marunong, maybe mag-Tagalog or English. Ex-girlfriend. Elsival, who is your ex-girlfriend? No, you're wrong, Totoy means. Ano? S? Adam English. English Adami. Adami, can you speak English? Adama. Yeah. Oh, yes. Okay, everyone speaking English, you're getting kicked out. Oh my God. Naku, nagalit na naman ang natin. Hindi ko siya maintindihan. Sorry, Adama. Where are your planet from? Charot. Where are you from, Adama? Ayan na, ayan na. I am the root to oh, pa 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 da, pa 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 ra ra ru pa 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 ra ru pa 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 oh. Si Peru, ano? Where are you from? Indonesia. You are Indonesian. Okay. Dama Bani. Shall oh. Thank you, Elseval. Thank you, Elseval, for to the kids, to the corner, thank you for joining. Thank you so much. You can do so much, so much. Oh, love me like it too. La la, love me like it too. Touch me like it too. Touch me like it too. What are you waiting for? Love me like it too. La la. Akala ko ikaw ay akin, totoo sa ating tanin. Ngunit nang ikaw ay yakapin, wala ako sa dibdib. Nais kong mapalapit sa'yo, nais kong malaman mo ang mga paghihirap ko. Balang sa'yo, ikaw ay aking minahal. Kasama ko ang may kapal mo. Ito lang naging sa mga katulad mo. Aking minahal. Kasama ko ang may kapal mo. Ako pala yung naging isa. Katulad mo. You are Princess Pilipinas, maganda ka. Oh my God! Elsival! You know how to, you know Tagalog means beautiful. Thank you so much, Elsival. I'm proud of you. Thank you, Elsival, from where? Spain? Are you from Spain? Thank you, Elsival. I like that anchovy paste behind you. Anchovy? Anchovy? Behind me? Mang Tomas. Mang Tomas. This is a Mang Tomas. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Aray, ko. Tell me how to type. Teach me this. Oh my God. Oh yes. Thank you for the 10 people here. Thank you so much. Thank you for the thumbs up. thumbs up, everyone. So thumbs up. Thank you so much. Thank you. I yes. Bye, Princess Love. Bye, Elsie Bob from Spain. Thank you for joining here. God bless you. Take care. Good night. Sweet dreams. God bless you too. I have a muscle. Aray, makulugo na lang. Oh my God. Sakit ang aking kamay. Kaagagan niya. La 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 la. Thank you for the 7 people here. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Maybe that's rheumatic arthritis. Yeah. No, it's because of yesterday. Maybe more than 1 hour like this to cook. More than hour to cook. Maybe that's it. More than hour like cook. I feel oh my God, what is this? So tired. I feel pain. It hurts here. The muscles pull. Oh, you're a good cook. What's your specialty? My specialty is like adobo. Yep. Fish. Yeah, the fish. Fish as usual. Seafoods. I love seafoods. Vegetables. The foods. Oh, you don't forget the rice. I have rice. With rice. Thank you sa nag-heart. Salamat. She was cooking peanut brittle for Guinness Book of World Records. Yeah, yesterday it happens. Have you tried a curry fish and fried? No, not tried. I'm not tried. Maybe ano, I tried a fried fish escabeche. Maybe I need to try that there. Fish. Yes, I need to try that. Oh my god. I remember so well. Thank you for the 12 people here. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Down, down, down. God, oh my kulay. Can you see the pain living in your eyes? And I know I'm how I tried. I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna let you. I don't wanna hold you back from where you are. You will never last. My heart is so scared. I just can't live anymore. I've tried. Oh my god, too much paperwork. I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in. It's so much so more. The road. Ah, good. Happy word. Thank you for the thumbs up, everyone. Wait. And Oh, where's the people now? Where are you now? Good. Oh, quite well. Are you from Cam Norte? No? No? I'm from Sorsogon. Province of Sorsogon. It's I need somebody who can love me up nice. I'm from Naga City. Ah, okay. Nice to meet you, Dominador. Nice to meet you too. Nice. Ako na nagsimbag eh. Tanong. Sinagot ko yung ano. Yung tanong ko, sinagot ko din. Thank you. Thank you so much. La, 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 la. Charles English. I said, I said, hello. Hi, Golden. Welcome back here. How are you? Are you going to sleep now? Or just phone? I'm still beautiful. Oh my god. Hi, thank you. I look tired because of yesterday. Bye. How are you guys? How are you, Golden? Are you going to sleep or just home? What time is it? 8:38 p.m. in the morning. My eyebags. Ouch. Nagarutot ako. Nagarutot. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the 8 people here. Thank you so much. Tahimik yung pito. Pito-pito tayo. Tahimik yung pito. 7 viewers, 7 thumbs up. Wala mag-ingay. So, thank you for the 9 people here. Thank you po. Pagod kahapon. Pagod. Go away. Tata. Thank you for the Uy, gulay. Hi for the 6 people here. How are ya? Walang sasabihin.
Yeah.
Come on with a video. Now, aray.
Bakal pagka.
Masira naman ba yung naluto? Baga, saging.
Sino binuto saging? Naman na, bakala ko bulalo. Kulang pa ini.
Tagpura.
Bulalo ano? Yan. 50 ito. Ay, 30. Ano bulalo?
Bulalo.
Bulalo. Ang parang kanton.
Tagan mo sira ha. Nandito ako. Wala, ayan yun. Umiibig sa'yo kahit na nag-why natin's call. Noise call for today. Noise call today. Noise call today. Kahit na nadurugo ang puso, kung sakali man, what the fuck? Nice cold say. Nano na lang. May nag... Ha? Thank you for watching. Napagod ng prinsesa. Pagod na si prinsesa. Ay, makulo na. Nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo. Kahit na natuko ang puso, kung sakaling iwanan ko, huwag kayo nagmamahal sa'yo. Nandito ko, thank you for the 9 people here. Kahit na Thank you for the pito-pito. Kailangan mo kaya sa waiting yung pito-pito ngayon. 7-7. 7 viewers, 7 thumbs up. Who are you? Ah, 11 now. Thank you for the 11 people here. Thank you so much. Hello. Where are you from, guys? You can free to talk to me. Kahit, where are you reading that from? I said the 7 viewers, and the top of my screen, 7 viewers, 7 thumbs up. Oh, ready? You can talk here. Where from everyone here? Yes, I said no one to talk. That's why I said you can talk here. It's you can talk here, guys. What you want to see? What you want? What you want to see? What you want to talk? Anything? Just anything to talk to here. Anything to talk here. But just stay kind and nice, kind, positive vibes. Stalker, stalk, or go. Minsan, you know what? You are very strict to the point. Walang, no filter. Wala man ang paligay-ligay. You are very strict to the point. You see what you want to say. Oh my God. Nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo. It's a song. Yeah. The song said, I'm here. I'm here to loving you. Even if, kahit na, even it's, feel hurts. Nagdurugo ang puso. Well, if you are gonna stop, you don't need to be here. Maybe they're just wondering why I'm doing live. Maybe just first here, or maybe the following my followers, they want to waiting for the hot topics. Sometimes hot topics. Maybe that's the topics now. Maybe it's boring. That's why no need to talk. That's it. But joining my live, it's helped me. It's showing. It's helping me. No, we are silently watching and start her beauty. That's why. Maybe that's why. Well, take off your shirt. Then, you know, it's embarrassing. If I take off my shirt, they will disappointed. Oh my god. Hope you not do that, Cheryl. Ja. That will get them. The beauty is not about the shape of the body, the beauty of the body. It's about yourself, who you are, not just about the physical appearance. Maybe they like me because they think I'm nice, or your breasts are beautiful. Oh my god. Really? You like my breasts? I'm not saying to take off your bra, just your shirt. Ew. Whatever. Not good here. Yeah. I am taking it up. Like a bikini. Oh well, I need to buy a bikini. I'm going to the beach and I wear a bikini. I have a bell na. $5,000. I will let you take it out. Really? I did it. Golden. $5,000. Too much. 5,000. 2,000. Kahit na nagdurugo ang puso, kung sakali iwanan ka na, huwag kang mag-alala, may nagmamahal sa'yo. He said he will do it for 5,000. He can, but no touching anything. It is so unfair. So expensive. Just to take it off the shirt. Oh my God! Nagdurugo ang pusa kung sakali. So you're expensive, girl. God. And the left. Check it up, check it up. That's 25 grand in piso. 25 grand? What grand? Anong grand? For 5,000, I want some else too. Hi. Good morning. I'm here now. Kaya nga ni, nay, alanganin pa ng panahon. Okay, I will ban you for a fee a week. Oh my God! No, stop it, stop. No need, no need. I can do it my own. Dominador, I want let you smell. I'm glad to stay going. That 5,000. I'm glad to stay. That 5,000. Oh my god. I'm a fan of. Uh, I'm joking. Yeah, just joking. It's okay, it's fine. It's a long away. I'm glad to step on you. She doesn't smell. It's a move away. It's a move away. I know, Gavin. I know you're playing, duh. I know, too. It's fine. What are you doing? No. I'm willing to stay stuck on you. Oh, you guys. Even you, Tim. What are you doing? I'm glad. We need to do this because of happened. You see what I'm doing? I'm not see. I don't know. You're lying on your bed. I mean like comment or watching my live. You are lying on the bed. Pics. Yeah, chatting, commenting. I'm talking to the girl. Calm down, guys. Calm down. Guys, my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, he is being mean tonight. Really? Wow. I'm afraid he might cheat me. Oh my God. If might hurt you. Why? Oh my God. He is angry. Oh, really? Oh my God. It's so beautiful. So cute. God. Thank you. Oh. Okay. Without you, nothing's gonna change my life. Cause nothing's gonna change my life. He just knocked a cup off my dresser. Stop. 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 Ah! It's nothing gonna change my life for you. What the fuck was the ass we got? We got. Stop. 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 Arabic. I'm going to Anana. I need to end the live now. You stop. Bye bye. Love you. Good night. Good night, USA. Sleep well. Love you guys. Where are you going? Here. Because I feel my arms. Go ahead. Da, 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 da. It's about it. Always. Do, do, do. I feel here. You sleep 15 hours, yeah. I sleep 15 hours. My wrinkles. Okay, Gotham. Bye-bye. Love you. Bye-bye.